Hey guys, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please don't forget to go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. Guys, today I created this nice Valentine's Day nude look with a touch of glitter, red glitter under the eyes. So if you want to see how I achieved it, then continue to watch. So now guys, onto the fun part, which is creating this eye look. So first I went into the Aina palette and I went into Credit, and I'm going to put that all in the crease. So first I'm going to just stamp it in, and then I'm going to go in and blend it out. So I'm just going to stamp it in to get all that pigment. And as you can see, I already went ahead in my brows off camera and primed the lid. I used the Tarte Sharpe Tape Concealer in Tan Deep Sand to prime the lid. So now I'm just stamping it in until it's well pigmented, and then I'm going to go into Ginger and use that to blend the harsh edges out. So I just want to fade that color out. So I'm just gonna blend it out and fade it up into the brow bone. So I don't like to see that harsh. You know, you want to start lower and then build up, because I don't like to see all that product up on the eyebrow. I like to see it being faded. So while applying Ginger, I lost some of Credit, so I went in and deepened up the crease. So now I'm going to cut. As you can see, I just used two colors to get that nice crease color. So now I'm going to cut the lid, and to cut the lid I'm going to mix the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer with some Colourpop Cosmetics, the white one. So that gave me like a nice nude, and I'm going to use that to cut the crease. So first, when I'm cutting the crease, I'm cutting it low, even though I have hooded eyes, because it's better for me to cut it go higher and higher each time, instead of cutting it too high and then I can't go back low. So I just cut it low and then continue to cut it higher and higher to my desired cut. So also I will list a link down below with how I did my brows. That's my brow routine for 2020, so you guys can go and check that out after watching this video. So now I went ahead and cut the next crease off camera, and I'm going to go back into the Aina palette and take Credit and Ginger and use the Credit on the outer corner of the cut crease, followed by Ginger. So guys, this look is coming together. Now I'm going to move on to the Too Faced Natural Matte Palette, and I'm going to use those two shades from the palette to add to the rest of the cut crease. Engaging you on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPEN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya.
The doors open. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you open. We should be closer than friends. If you open.
Now onto my wing liner. I'll place a link down below again with that tutorial so you can check it out. So I'm using the e.l.f. liquid liner in jet black. Can't talk today. So please go ahead and check that out down below.
We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors OPN. Take the hot road and hop in.
So now onto my face. I'm going to be using the Farsali Unicorn Essence to moisturize my face and the Bare Minerals Mattifying Primer to prime. So this primer is really good. Anything you put down after that dries super fast. And I tested out and it really did, because I used it the other day and I had to take off my entire base because I let it sit too long and it wasn't moving. When I started blending out, everything was just stuck in place. So I won't be showing a lot of my foundation routine of how I did my full face, because I have a foundation routine coming up pretty soon, so look out for that. So this is exactly what I'm talking about, this primer. Look, I did not let the concealer sit and it's taking some time to blend out. It's barely moving, so I have to be blending and blending.
Open up, you OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN.
Now to set my face, I'm going to be using the Sacha Butercup setting powder again. And yes, I'm going to place that everywhere where I place that concealer, and also do a reverse contour under my contour. To powder contour, I'm going to go into my Itsmyrayeraye palette and use that shade, which is Mocha. Use that to contour my entire face. So it's... And then I'm going to go ahead and press the excess powder that was left on my face into the skin. I won't be brushing it away or dusting it away. I'll be pressing it in. That's going to help me to have a nice flawless base all throughout the day. And onto blush, I'm going to use my Black Radiance blush and place that on my cheeks. Ooh, ah. Now onto setting my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, and this spray is the bomb. Yes, I said it, it's the bomb.com. So I'm going to set my face, let it dry, and then go ahead and add my highlighter. And I'm going to be using the Neffertiti from Juvias Place. So I'm going to be placing that on the eyes parts of my cheek, down the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, my chin, parts of my forehead, and yeah.
We should be closer.
And ooh, look at that highlighter. Yes, I said ooh, because it's so pigmented. So after putting my highlighter down, I'm definitely going to go in with my foundation brush to tone it down a little bit.
We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda.
Now to finish up my eyes, I'm going to go into my Morphe 3502 Second Nature palette, and I'm going to be using that red shade, which is Fire, and I'm going to blend it all under the bottom of my my waterline, and then I'm going to go in with some red glitter. So I'll use the glitter primer from NYX, and then some red glitter from Dollvibes Cosmetics. It's some chunky glitters and it's so beautiful. So I'm going to add that to the bottom waterline, and then add some mascara. And I got this glitter under the eye inspo from Beats by Deb and Taylor Made Jane, so you guys can check their glitter out too.
Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall. open up.
Now to add my lashes, I'm going to be using the Lily lashes in the style Miami, and also a link will be down below of how I apply my lashes. So go ahead and check that out. So that will be 3 videos down below for you guys to check out. And now onto the lips. I'm just gonna go ahead and add a brown liner. I think it's a Colormates. I got it from the dollar store. So it's a brown liner. And then I'm going to go in with my NYX Cosmetics liquid lipstick in corset. It's the liquid lingerie, and then with some clear gloss. It looks red in the tube, but it actually goes on clear. And that's it for the lips.
And take the high road and hop in. Open up.
And just look at that cut crease. I'm just admiring it. It looks sharp and smooth. Here you go, guys. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you're new, please don't forget to go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, share this video, like, comment, and share. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you for tuning in. And tell a friend, tell another friend. Thank you so much for watching. I had fun creating this look. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.